In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Messenger chat in just 5 minutes. This is a crucial skill to have if you want to ensure that all your important conversations are safely stored and easily accessible when needed. It's a relatively straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, open Facebook on your computer. Once you have your home page loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see your profile picture. Click on it. This will open up a menu with several options. From there, you'll want to select Settings and Privacy. A submenu will appear, and you'll then click on Settings. This will take you to the Account Center, a centralized hub where you can manage various settings related to your Facebook account. Once you're in the Account Center, look for the option labeled Personal Details. Click that, and then navigate to your Information and Permissions. Within this section, you'll see an option called Download Your Information. This is where you'll initiate the process of backing up your chats. Now, you'll want to find and click on Export Your Information. You'll be taken to a new page where you can manage all your data exports. Look for a button that says Create Export. Clicking this begins the next step in the process. After you click on Create Export, a series of choices will appear. The first thing you need to do is choose Profile. This selection ensures that you're focusing specifically on data linked to your personal Facebook account. Following that, you'll be prompted to choose where you'd like to export your information. Consider where you want to save your data, perhaps a secure external hard drive or a cloud storage service. Making this choice prepares you for the next step. You'll then choose the specific information you'd like to export. This is crucial. Make sure that the Messages option is toggled on. Doing so ensures that your Messenger chats are included in the backup. Once you've confirmed your selection, click Save to lock in your preferences. Finally, you're ready for the last step. Locate the Start Export button and click it. This will begin the process of gathering and exporting all the chats you've specified. Depending on how much data you have, this could take a little bit of time, so be patient. You'll be notified once the export is complete. And there you have it. You've successfully backed up your Messenger chat in just a few simple steps. Now you can rest easy knowing that all your important conversations are safely stored and accessible whenever you need them. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy guides.